Mistplay and Fetch rewards are built around completely different habits, so the better long-term choice depends on whether you spend more time playing mobile games or buying everyday products. By the end of this video, you'll know how both apps work, what keeps users coming back over time, and which one is likely to fit your routine better. Start with Mistplay. Mistplay is designed for Android users who enjoy discovering and playing mobile games. You launch eligible games through the app, complete qualifying gameplay, and earn points that can be redeemed for available rewards. Since the platform is centered on gaming, it's a better fit for people who already spend time playing on their phones, instead of treating gaming as something they have to do just to earn rewards. Now compare that with Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is focused on shopping rather than gaming. Instead of earning through gameplay, you earn rewards by submitting eligible purchase receipts and participating in available offers. If you're already shopping for groceries and household items on a regular basis, using the app can become part of your normal routine without requiring additional screen time. So which app works better over the long term? If you consistently play mobile games every week, Mistplay is often easier to stick with because it rewards an activity you're already doing. You don't need to remember to save receipts or check shopping offers before making purchases. Your routine stays centered on gaming. If your priority is getting value from everyday shopping, Fetch Rewards may be the better long-term option. Since grocery shopping is a recurring activity for many people, scanning receipts can become a simple habit after each shopping trip. You don't have to spend extra time playing games if gaming isn't already one of your hobbies. Another difference is flexibility. Misplay's experience depends on the games currently available for your account and device. Fetch Rewards depends on your shopping habits and the offers available when you make purchases. Both platforms update their available opportunities over time, so your experience may change as new games or offers are introduced. The best long-term strategy isn't always choosing one app over the other. If you enjoy mobile games and also shop regularly, the two services can fit different parts of your routine because they reward completely different activities. Here's the quick recap. Choose Mistplay if gaming is already part of your daily routine. Choose Fetch Rewards if you want rewards tied to everyday shopping, and pick the app that matches habits you already have. If this comparison helped, subscribe for more reward app reviews, comparisons, and straightforward troubleshooting guides.